Hi everyone! So it's been a while since I last posted an update on my room makeover. Ganyan talaga pag may full-time job. Add to that, the COVID scare that happened to the family a few weeks back. But everything is fine. Hopefully, mas maging regular na yung pag-post ko ng videos sa channel na ito. Before anything else, I do hope you support me by liking this video and by subscribing to this channel. Just to explain what's happening here, I'm trying to figure out yung maging orientation ng desk. Okay sana yung first option pero parang nakaharang ako sa aircon. The second option is also okay, but I finally settled for the third option, which is yung nakaharap sa wall para kita ko na rin kung sino yung mga pumapasok ng room. Here, I'm prepping the wall for painting, and we're only doing this wall since di ako sure kung kasya yung paint na nabili ko. And also, we're sanding it para mas kumapit yung paint. We're using Limewash paint for this one, and this paint when used creates a textured or clouded effect. May kita nyo siya later actually. I got this from a local supplier, and the package comes with the paint powder and the adhesive. The paint brushes, you could purchase them separately from the same supplier. The supplier also provided instructions on the proper portioning of water, paint, and adhesive. Just mix everything in and we're ready to paint. I researched on how to do the brush strokes, and sabi nila just do small crisscrosses and do several patches across the wall. After which, saka nyo i-blend in yung mga small patches across the wall para mabuo. Sana na-gets nyo. If not, try nyo rin mag-research sa YouTube. Marami din kayong mahanap. So this is how it looks after the first application of the Limewash paint. Ito yung itsura niya after 4 or 5 layers of Limewash paint. The final finish could have been better, but I'm already tired at marami pa tayong gagawin. So proceed na lang tayo dun sa susunod na task, which is to mount the TV on the wall para ma-free up yung space sa ilalim at hindi bumangga yung upuan ko habang nag-work ako. Here, I'm just trying to find the center of the wall as well as the correct height for the TV. Madali lang ang mag-mount ng TV when you buy yung TV mount. It comes with the instructions, so watch na lang kayo dyan and see how I did it. Like I said, mabilis lang ang pag-mount ng TV. So proceed na tayo sa pag-build ng shelf. But before that, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here is an IKEA Kallax 2x2 shelf. I bought it from a local supplier. It's fairly easy to assemble. It comes with an instruction. So, i-timelapse na lang natin ulit para mabilis. Originally, gusto ko sanang i-mount yung shelf sa wall, either facing the window or facing the bed. Pero parang masyado siyang bulky and heavy to be mounted on the wall. So, I decided to put it na lang below the TV to serve as a media console. Bumili din ako nitong mga cabinet inserts para naman magkaroon ng konting enclosure yung mga gamit ko. Since ginamit natin yung Kallax shelf as a media console, I decided to buy more shelves. These are lac floating shelves. Again, IKEA. I bought 3. Isang 110 cm and dalawang 30 cm. I'm just using some painter's tape here to see yung placement ng shelves, kung ano yung pinakamaganda or pinakamaayos. And once I've settled on the final placement, it's time to get the drill to do some final mounting. Finally, some decorating. Itong part na to, medyo natagalan ako kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung theme or style na gagawin ko. But since I have the book, I decided to go with the Greek mythology theme. And I have to order some of the items online. Yung iba nga dyan, galing pang Greece, hindi ko na babanggitin kung ano dyan. Hulaan nyo na lang. And also, I ordered some plants. Makikita nyo dyan si David. Hindi siya Greek god, pero wala nang malagay, so hayaan nyo na. And yun lang, tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung kalalabasan nitong floating shelf na ito. We're almost there, malapit na tayong matapos. I'm just laying out some prints that I bought online, figuring out the best layout before I hang them on the wall. Here naman, I'm marking the holes, so when I put it up against the wall, I know where to put the hook or the nails. So that's it. We're finally done. Here's a shot of the area before and how it's looking now. Di ako sure kung style or aesthetic ko ba to, but I love Greek mythology as well as astrology, so the ideas just flowed from there. The color scheme naman, I was inspired by the color of the Limewash paint. So when I move into the new home, gagawin ko ba itong style na to? Maybe not, but for this area, I think it works. Up next is this area here. I don't have any timelines yet, so let's just wait and see. For now, let's just enjoy what we've done here. Until the next DIY or room makeover, thank you for watching guys and have a nice day ahead.